Hey, Ann Swanson here, and thank you so much for joining me for these Tai Chi Qi Gong warm-ups. These are great for beginners, or if you have any joint pain or morning stiffness that you need to work out. So I recommend to stand up. You can be wearing flat, comfortable shoes or barefoot depending on your surface, but traditionally we wear flat, comfortable shoes. And find a place where you can see me without having to look down. And stand tall. Feet about hip distance apart. Bend your knees. Settle for a moment. Arriving in this short practice, and notice how your body feels before we begin. Listen to any physical sensations, any messages your body has for you. Maybe your body is asking you to readjust your posture. And listen to all the sounds around you. With a soft gaze, see what's in your sight. Smell any smells, taste any tastes. And start by just moving your hands to open and close your hands like jellyfish. Warming up your hands. And then take one hand, bring it into a soft fist. This represents strength. Left hand is flat. So right hand is in the fist, left hand flat. Tuck the thumb under. This is friendship and humility. Bringing these together, we do our Tai Chi greeting. And release your arms down. Slowly float your arms up. Hands back, chin back. Hands forward, hands and chin down. Floating the arms up again, halfway, hands back, chin back, forward, and down. Last time. And then float your arms up halfway. Sink them down, press on an imaginary table. One hand comes up, look into the palm, turn your head. 70% of your next range of motion. Come back to center, other side. And then this set, 80% of your next range of motion, keeping your shoulders forward. Really focusing on the neck. Head is floating up as you do this. Allow your palms to pass by each other in center. Last time, 90% of your next range of motion. And other side. Come back to center. Release your hands down and roll your shoulders forward 3 times. Deep in the joint, your elbows move with you. And then from here, roll them back 3 times. Inhale, arms up, drawing 2 circles about at eye level or a little below your eye level, and come down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, sink, bend your knees a little more. Inhale, gathering the chi. Exhale, sink. And hold an imaginary bowl. Top hand, straight down. Other hand flips out and up, press. Flip both palms, holding the ball, other hand on top. Top hand, straight down. Other hand flips, press. Hold the ball. Press the floor and the ceiling and flip and hold. Press the sky and the earth and flip and hold. One more set. take the ball and carry it over to one knee. Flip the ball, carry it over to the other knee. Remember, less is more. Flip and carry. My knees and hips are staying forward. I'm not moving them side to side. Moving from the belly button and shoulders move. And then you'll come back to center and bring your arms out in front. And bring your hands back behind you. As you do that, shift your weight over to one foot. Take the empty foot, bring it forward, just tap the heel down, trying to put little to no weight in it. You can come back in center and tap in center or skip through as you bring that leg behind you slightly. Kind of goes out to the side a little, curving. Ball mount of the foot, tapping down. And then leg forward, hands back. Leg back, hands forward. Feel free to tap your foot in center if you need that for balance. Leg forward, hands back. Leg back, hands forward. And then bring your foot back to center, shift your weight over for the other side. Hands come back, the other foot comes forward, tap the heel. Feel free to tap in center or skip through. Leg back, hands forward. Leg forward, hands back. Leg back, hands forward. One more set. And then come back to center. And we'll bring our hands over to one side. Press, like you're pressing on the inside of a bowl. Opposite leg comes out to tap. Shifting over, other side. Press and tap. Press and tap. Slow transition, press and tap. Last set, same thing. And then come back to center. Make soft fists around your hip points. Turn your toes out. We'll start with kicking in the air. So shifting your weight to one foot, and the empty foot comes forward. Either kick it low, or maybe medium or high. Wherever you kick it, the opposite arm is going to punch forward. And then come back, place it down, shifting over. Take your time with the transition, they're just as important. And kick, punch, opposite arm, back to center. Shifting over, kick as high or low as you want, and punch. Last set, kicking and punching as high or low as you'd like, just so you can control the descent. Transition slowly. And then come back to center. This time we're stepping forward, shifting your weight over, heel, toes, that front foot's facing forward. It's empty now, but as you shift forward to punch, you fill it 60% of your weight. Come back to center, place it down, shift over, and other foot, heel, toes, and come forward to punch. Staying upright, not leaning forward. Shifting over, heel, toes, and punch. back knee stays bent. Try that with me. Heel, toes, back knee is bent, back heel is down. One more set. And come back to center. Place the foot down, get in a comfortable stance. You can place your hands on your hips and bring your weight to one foot, heel, toes, flex, point, last set. Shifting over, flex, point, flex, point. Shifting over, this time little toe taps down, sole of the foot in, big toe, sole of the foot out, in, out. One more set. Other foot, same thing, 3 times. And come back to center and pause, releasing your hands down, and check in. How do you feel now compared to when you first stood here before you did the warm-up exercises? Can you feel more of a flow in your body, a warmth? Can you feel a deeper sense of awareness? Notice whatever is here, whatever you feel in this moment. And now that you're warmed up for your day, hopefully you'll be able to stand taller, feel more comfortable in your skin, in your joints. And warm-up exercises are really key before you do other types of exercises to help prevent injury. And remember that anytime you don't feel comfortable with a movement, you can just watch it, visualize it, and you'll still be gaining benefits. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and make sure you click subscribe below for more practices like this, as well as check out the links below because I have some practices for you that are great for relieving pain. Thank you so much and be well.